A school's main priority is to teach children and keep them safe. But what happens when kids turn to crime and are arrested on the site? Starting with 4 teams from Ohio who were prepared for lethal violence. An urgent call was made by the on-campus security guard, reporting 4 masked teens with loaded guns who arrived at the school in 3 separate cars. They took off the masks, concealing their weapons, and they were somehow led into the school, but were held off by security guards, and the school was placed in lockdown. The cops arrived and confronted the armed teens, but they had other ideas.
All 4 of you. Come on. Detain him.
What?
You're being detained.
What?
Detain him.
What I'm getting detained for?
Don't.
What I'm getting detained for?
The suspects, knowing that if they were caught, they would face some serious prison time, so they took off, clearly not realizing that the police are not so willing to give up.
Put your hands up right now! Put your hands up! Hands up! Turn around! Put your hands up!
Hands up! Hands up!
Hands up!
Don't reach for it. Don't reach for it. Right?
After an intense 3-minute foot chase, the cops finally caught one of the suspects where he is held at gunpoint, while the other 2 armed teens are still on the run.
If there's nothing to run for, why are you running? Right? What are you doing on you? Get up, man. Where are your boys at?
Tell me.
Why are you running?
Because y'all was grabbing me. What the hell?
You ran before we got to you,
It
man.
don't matter what is y'all grabbing me for.
Where you ran? You got nothing on you?
How can y'all let me go? I ain't do shit.
Huh? It's too hot out anyways. You got a goddamn winter jacket on.
Police recovered 2 guns from the 3 suspects who were taken into custody. Shockingly, 2 of the 3 teens were sent home after being cited and ordered to appear in juvenile court, while the 3rd suspect, who was caught with an illegal firearm, was also wanted in an unrelated robbery case and was kept in custody. School shooters usually carry out their missions until the very end. But what happens when the suspects change their mind during the attack? On April 20th, 2018, a 19-year-old entered his old school with a backpack and a guitar case, which had his weapon inside. A 16-gauge shotgun, while his backpack contained a tactical vest, gloves, and multiple shotgun shells. Surveillance shows him entering the restaurant, now armed and ready. He shoots through a door, hitting a student in the leg, and the on-duty deputy on the school began recording as soon as he heard the gunshot.
What the hell is that?
Who was that?
3996.
Hey, lock this school down. Who was it?
10-4. All units responding.
What happened?
All units responding in the hallway.
Primary responder.
10-4.
996 Baron, I have a shotgun in the hallway laying on the ground. Did we lock the school down?
That's 10-4.
Lock the school down now.
Somebody said McManus has the kid.
Huh?
McManus has the kid.
Where?
In a state of panic and confusion, the deputy is told they have a shooter, but he is no longer violent and he enters the room.
X-ray 996 on channel 2.
Down on the ground.
X-ray 1's aware, 51 out 51.
What the hell? Put your hands behind your back.
The deputy displays his shock regarding the suspect's calmness.
Stop right there. Who is he?
I'm trying to reach the hallway. I have no idea.
He shot through the door,
X-ray 996.
but he decided he came down.
Do you go to this school?
I used to, sir.
What the?
Mental illness, sir.
Alright, go. Out. Everyone out. Hey, keep them right there.
X-ray 996.
He tells the officer that he has a mental illness, perhaps explaining his sudden change of plan. But it gets even stranger.
I'm sorry, sir.
What do you say?
I wasn't raised by the right people.
Are you kidding me?
There's a lot of violence. I don't know in medication.
Serious?
I don't know why.
That's the forward.
Don't say another word. Don't say another word. Do you have anything else on you?
No, sir.
Do you have any other weapons on this campus?
No,
Do you
sir.
have any other explosives on this campus?
Sir, I put all my stuff on the table behind you, sir. Shells and the knife. That's it.
I ain't believing this is happening here. How did you get up here with a shotgun? You just carried it up here?
Yes, sir.
Are you kidding me?
Holy cow. Is there anybody else with you?
No, sir. I'm the only one.
You're the only one?
Yes, sir.
Armed police arrive, ready to take down an active shooter, but to their surprise, the deputies tells them they're not needed.
What's that? I don't need anybody in here, I really don't. But he says there's no more bombs, no more anything. I'd like to check his vehicle. Are you sure there's no one else with you?
Yes, sir. I'm not lying. I got the reason why.
Yes, sir.
They think the disaster is over. However, the suspect reveals that the threat might not be over.
I think we're good.
There was a lot of people on the internet saying that they
Room 1153 is making
it's
entry
not
now.
me,
Stand
but
by.
they were saying they were going to attack your school, so I would just watch out for other people, like lone wolves themselves. I don't know why I did this on.
He says that there's no other people. He worked on his own. There is no explosions or anything that else is going to happen. Am I right?
Yes, sir. And anyone in my family, make sure they don't get near me because they're very mentally ill and very not disabled.
Do they know you're here?
No, sir.
How would they know you're here then?
No, I'm just saying, like, if they find out, they may get violent. They may. So I just want them, just let you know that they're not stable people.
Are you sure you're the only one?
Yes, sir, but...
Because I'm telling you, your world's going to...
There's a but. What is the but?
bad if you don't freaking tell us everything.
No, I'm saying that today is a day of Columbine, so other people are going to do what I do, just because.
Do you know of other people that are doing the same thing?
I'm a lone wolf. There's no one else that I work with. I'm telling you the truth, all right? There's no reason for me to you right now, because I gave up after one shot. I'm telling you everything I know.
The kid you shot, was he a random kid or something?
I shot through the door. I didn't know the gun would even work. I just wanted to scare people. I didn't even know this.
No, that doesn't make any sense, right?
The suspect faced multiple charges, including burglary of a structure with a firearm, discharge of a firearm during the commission of a felony, possession of a short-barreled shotgun, carrying a concealed firearm, and disruption or interference with an educational institution to facilitate or further terrorism. Teachers are supposed to be good role models for their students. This third-grade teacher showed up to the first day of school heavily intoxicated. She couldn't hide her state as her colleagues alerted the on-site officer who interrogated her, and she attempted to lie her way out of the situation.
My juice?
Gonna try again? That there is wine.
But it only made things worse.
So, just observing you in classroom, it looks like something's off a little bit. And so I've asked Officer Dean to come in here and visit with it. Have you taken anything that's, do you have a prescription for anything that maybe you have taken today that just seems like you're not the same person that I talked to this morning?
I did take some medication last night to help me with sleep because I have some anxiety stuff, but that's I can't think of the name of it right now, but I could look it up when I get home.
So you haven't taken anything while you were at school?
No.
She claims her state is due to the fact that she took medication for anxiety the night before. Then she says that she took it before school, already slipping up on her story.
Have you taken any sort of medication today?
I'm sorry, what?
Have you taken any medication today?
I did take some medication this morning for my anxiety.
What did you take this morning?
I think it's called,
Did you drink something while you were here at school?
not while I was at school.
When did you drink something?
Last night.
Her career is at risk, and she knows it.
Not here at school? Because it seemed that it changed. I mean, your demeanor kind of changed.
I wouldn't bring it into the school.
Okay.
Are you gonna blow double zeros?
I don't know.
You should know. If you hadn't drank anything, you should blow zeros. If you drank something recently, it's gonna show it. Well, we'll just find out. You should know. Makes me think that you are not going to.
Okay, so what's going to happen if
I'm not going to do anything with you.
Well, I'm asking Mrs. Bowles.
Well, I'm just going to be honest and really
I don't know how to do this.
You're just going to blow into it like you're blowing up a balloon as soon as I tell you to. All right, ready? Take a big deep breath. Blow, 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 blow. All right, stop. Good job. You gonna tell me the truth? How much you had to drink?
I drank last night.
There's no way you drank last night.
Well, I did drink last night.
Did you drink at school is what he's asking you. Tell us the truth.
I didn't drink at school.
That wouldn't blow that right there.
So if I go into the classroom, am I going to find anything else?
Failing the breathalyzer test, the principal's main concern is that she brought alcohol onto the premises, which she claims she didn't. She is then confirmed to be lying when they find wine in her juice bottle.
Your expert opinion, she's under the influence.
Well, I mean, you want my honest opinion? I think she's probably a functioning alcoholic.
I want y'all to tell me what I have to do.
I just want you to be honest.
I went to work here. I went to work here.
Okay, no more games, right?
Yeah.
Other than that.
My juice.
Gonna try again. That there is wine.
I thought that was from yesterday.
Did you drink it up here yesterday?
Well, I brought it from home. It's in there today, this morning.
I didn't go through your bag. That's your,
You
you said
can.
first. I know, but my thing is, that's all I need.
Yeah.
Did you get my phone?
You said your phone was in the purse.
Well, I thought it was on the desk, but it's okay.
The officer is fed up with her lies and gives her a final chance to be honest.
Being truthful goes a long ways, and you haven't done it yet.
I don't think so. Please, just let me. Can we?
Hey,
work
I'm
this?
not doing it. I'm not doing it. You had your chance to be honest,
Well,
and
I did.
and then you wiped this out.
But please let me. Please let me call.
I should charge you with tampering with evidence.
Please let me.
No,
let me call.
no, it is over. No more. No more. I'm done.
Officer, please.
No.
I've never done anything
I
bad
don't-
in my whole life.
What is your date of birth?
But the story gets even worse. She was caught drinking wine before her court appearance regarding the situation and got herself even more trouble with the law. She was booked for public intoxication and was fired from her job. Most schools have rules to prevent bringing things as little as chewing gum to school. But on March 8, 2022, a student alerted teachers after seeing a 16-year-old boy in school allegedly post on TikTok showing off a gun in his waistband while he was at school. The cops were quickly called, and in a very casual manner, the boy was taken from his gym class and searched. Then, the cops made a disturbing discovery.
Are you? Come on. Sir? You know what I want to talk to you about? You don't know? Okay. All right. Do me a favor. Keep your hands out of your pockets for me. Okay. Take your backpack off for me. All right. So somebody reported that they have a photo of you, and in the photo it looks like there's some sort of a weapon sticking out of a pocket, or take your hands out of your pockets. Okay. Do me a favor. Just lift your sweatshirt up. Turn around for me. Turn around again. Lift your sweatshirt up again. What is that? Relax. Okay.
Strangely, the boy doesn't even resist and calmly explains the details about the gun, which he stole from a relative.
Anything else I need to be concerned about?
There's a mag in it, it's not popped.
Is it?
And there is a mag inside of my hoodie.
What kind of gun is it?
It's a 9mm. It's not loaded. It has the mag in it, but it's not popped back.
Back door. I'm not going to parade you through the gym, but we're going to go to my office and we're going to do the investigation. Okay? Hey, coach, grab this bag for me.
Despite being only 16, the boy was charged with possession of a firearm on school property, grand theft of a firearm, and carrying a concealed firearm. The relative also was pressed charges for theft.